Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix the DNS server isn't responding. Error in Windows. There have been reports from Windows users getting error message. The DNS server isn't responding. After using Network Connection Troubleshooter for network-related issues, the error message means there is an issue with the DNS server setting. In this video, we have gathered troubleshooting solutions that you can do to fix DNS isn't responding error. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First solution, power cycle router and modem. The very first thing that you need to do is to power cycle your router and modem. To do this, unplug router and modem from outlet and wait for at least 2-3 minutes. Then plug router and modem again back to the power outlet. You can also restart your computer. Once computer completely reboots, check if error message still occurs. Second solution, flush DNS cache. Another possible reason for the error message to appear is caused by an outdated or corrupt DNS cache. To fix this, try to flush DNS cache. To do this, type command prompt at the search bar located at the lower left. Click Run as administrator from the drop-down menu. At command prompt window, type the command ipconfig flush DNS and press enter. Wait for process to complete. Then type the command ipconfig register DNS and press enter. Wait for process to complete. Then exit command prompt window next, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, check if the issue still occurs. Third solution, change DNS server. If flushing DNS cache did not help fix the problem, you may need to change DNS server. Most of the time, this solution fixes most DNS server related issues. At the search bar located at the lower left, type Control Panel and press enter. Make sure View by Category is set to either large or small icons. Click Network and Sharing Center, click Change. Adapter Settings at left pane. Right-click on your Wi-Fi network and click Properties from the drop-down menu. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4 TC PIPv4. At Internet Protocol version 4 Properties window, select the option Use the following DNS server addresses, IP addresses of the DNS server you want to use. For example, for Google Public DNS, change preferred DNS server to 8.8.8.8, and for alternate DNS server, type 8.8.4.4. Click OK to confirm and to exit, and then check if error message still occurs. Fourth solution, temporarily disable antivirus program. There are instances when antivirus programs is causing conflict with the DNS server on your device. Try to disable antivirus program and then check if the issue will be resolved. To do this, click Start, click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear, click Update and Security at left pane, then click Windows Security at left pane, then click Virus and Threat Protection. Next, click Manage Settings. Toggle off the option Real-Time Protection. Close Windows Security window, check if error message still occurs. Fifth solution, update driver. An outdated driver is another cause DNS server not responding error message to appear. Make sure drivers are up to date. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. At Run dialog box, type devmgmt.msc and press enter. Then at Device Manager window, click Network Adapters to expand it. Right-click on the driver and then click Update Driver from the drop-down menu. Select the option Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on your computer. Then click Next. Once latest drivers are already installed, click Close to exit. Next, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, check if issues still occur. Sixth solution, reset Winsock. To do this, type command prompt at the search bar located at the lower left. Click Run as administrator from the drop-down menu. At command prompt window, type the command netch Winsock reset and press enter. Wait for process to complete. Then, exit command prompt window next, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, check if the issue still occurs. Seventh solution, reset IP address. To do this, type command prompt at the search bar located at the lower left. Click Run as administrator from the drop-down menu. At command prompt window, type the command IP config release and press enter. Then, type the command type IP config renew and press enter. Wait for process to complete. Exit command prompt window next. Restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, check if the issue still occurs. Eighth solution, reset network settings. If none of the solutions mentioned did not fix DNS server not responding issue, you may need to reset your network settings to reset all network-related components. To do this, press Start or Windows button. Then click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. At Windows Settings, click Network and Internet. Depending on the Windows version you are using, Network Reset can either be found on Advanced Network Settings or at the Settings window. So in here, click on Network Reset option. Next, click on Reset Now tab to confirm reset. Next, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, check if the issue still occurs. And that's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.